Hi everyone, my name is Ubair from Digit Crafter. If you are using ChatGPT, you know that this tool is very productive. But did you know that there are some hidden features of ChatGPT? And if you are expert, maybe you already know these features. But if you are a beginner, I am sure that this video is going to help you a lot. Today, in this video, I am going to show you some incredible, unique tricks so you can increase your productivity. So if you are a blogger, content creator or developer, you must watch this complete video. But before, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos on digital marketing, AI and making money online. Also click the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming videos almost every day. Let's start. So friends, number one hidden feature of ChatGPT is custom instructions. If you go to ChatGPT, click on your profile icon and then click on customize ChatGPT. And here you can see under custom instruction in the first box, I am telling ChatGPT about myself. So it can generate better responses according to my profile. Now in the next box, I am telling ChatGPT to use conversational tone. Write in simple terms. Do not include assumptions. And this last sentence I added for you to understand better. I am writing at the end of introduction, write let's start in the new line. Now let's test how these custom instructions work. Here I am going to ask ChatGPT to write an introduction for my blog post on the topic email validation. And let's see what it generates. So friends, you can see it generated a simple introduction and it's not starting with a few AI words like on digital journey, embark, etc. And most importantly, here you can see we instructed ChatGPT in the last line to end the introduction with these words, let's start. And you can see it mentioned our words at the end of our introduction. Moreover, if you need to understand better about custom instructions, you can also watch this video that explains in detail about custom instructions of ChatGPT. Also, I am showing some custom instructions here on my screen, and I am sure these custom instructions that I am showing here will be very helpful for you. Now the feature number 2 is advanced prompting techniques, and this is all about writing your prompts in such a way so you get best possible responses from ChatGPT. As an example, let's start a new chat here, and here I am asking ChatGPT to write a blog post. This is a simple prompt, but if you want to get better results from ChatGPT, then instead of writing this, how do I write a blog post, I shall ask ChatGPT to write a blog post in better way. For example, this prompt here. I am writing, can you give me a step-by-step guide on writing an engaging blog post for beginners on the topic email validation. So by using this prompt, ChatGPT will generate more targeted and to the point response. Now let's check what it's going to generate. And you can see here friends, it's generated a detailed outline that is a step-by-step guide how to write a blog post. So in general, if you give ChatGPT to the point and specific instructions, it will give you more targeted and useful responses. And my friend, if you want to know more about prompting, you can also watch this video and explore that specific formula for prompting that I explained in this video. And friends, feature number 3 is using ChatGPT for coding and debugging. Did you know that ChatGPT can help you with solving coding problems? If you are writing new codes or working on your existing code, you can get help of ChatGPT and it can be of huge help. It will save you a lot of time. As an example, ask ChatGPT, can you write a Python script to count words and characters in a paragraph, and then click enter. And here we are. This is our Python code. Let's copy this code and go to our Visual Studio. Here create a new file, words counter.py, and click enter. And then paste your code here and then run our code here. You can see friends, this is the result. Word count 11, character count 69. So this code provided words and characters from this line, and this line is generated by ChatGPT. Now let's ask ChatGPT to improve this code. If I ask ChatGPT, after running the script in Python, it should ask me to provide the paragraphs and then click enter. Now ChatGPT made enhancement in our code. I am asking ChatGPT to add a new feature, that is, it should ask me to enter a paragraph. Now let's copy this code and go back to our Visual Studio, remove our previous code and paste our new code here, and then run our new Python file. Friends, you can see here it's asking us to enter a paragraph. Now as an example, let's copy this paragraph, let's say this one. copy this paragraph and then go to Visual Studio, paste here and then run our Python file again. And now you can see friends, our word counts are 38 and character counts are 366. So friends, when you ask ChatGPT to solve your coding problems, it not only provides you code but also explains you how this code works. And if you want to debug your code, paste your code here and explain your problem. And in this way, ChatGPT can help you to identify and fix the errors. Now friends, let's move to feature number 4. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool to create content. But for this, you must know how to get most out of ChatGPT for content creation. Whether you are brainstorming ideas, drafting articles, or writing social posts, it can save you a lot of time. Let's say, as an example, if you go to ChatGPT, start a new chat here, and I ask ChatGPT, can you give me 10 blog post ideas for a digital marketing blog? And then click enter. You see ChatGPT is generating ideas for digital marketing blog and all these ideas with the great topics. For example, this one, using AI tools for digital marketing, what you need to know. A beginner's guide to PPC advertising, maximizing ROI. So ChatGPT created 10 creative ideas for our digital marketing blog. Now let's say if I need to write a blog post on a specific topic, for example, the ultimate guide to SEO in 2024, tips and strategies for beginners. So if I need to generate article for this topic, I shall ask ChatGPT to write a detailed outline for this topic. So I have my special prompt and let me show you how you can generate a detailed outline for your article. Friends, this is a simple prompt and here I am going to paste my topic. Copy my topic and then paste it here and then click enter. You can see friends, it starts to generate a detailed outline on our topic. So I think the idea is so simple. You ask ChatGPT for blog post ideas and then ask it to generate a detailed outline. Moreover, you can also use my free tool, that is aiwebranker.com. Here you will find a tool, free outline generator. You can use this tool to generate free outlines for your articles. Friends, ChatGPT can also act like a tutor, helping you to understand complex topics, solve problems and even practice new skills. Let's say you use Google Sheets or MS Excel on daily basis and you need to find a solution in your spreadsheet. For example, let's ask ChatGPT, start a new chat and ask ChatGPT to help about a formula that I need to discover. If I go to my Google Sheets, for example, this is the table. I want to extract data for the people who have age more than 35. I shall go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to separate rows for names who have age more than 35. And then go to my sheets, copy my table, go back to ChatGPT and paste my table under this line and click enter. And here it started to separate our data. You can see it separated all the entries for the people whose age is above 35. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write a specific formula that can perform this action. So I shall ask ChatGPT, being a learner, I don't know what is the specific formula to perform this action in Google Sheets. Can you write a formula to separate this data? And then click enter. You can see friends, and here is our formula and also guiding us step by step that how to use this formula. So I shall copy this formula and go back to my sheet and then paste our formula here, make some corrections about the range. For example, our data is starting from A2 and it ends at E21 and then C21 and then click enter. And friends, you can see we have the entries of the people who have aged more than 35. So this is a simple example that how you can train ChatGPT to help you with Excel or other softwares. And not only this, ChatGPT also help you to solve your math problems. For example, let's start a new chat and ask ChatGPT to provide answer for this equation and then click enter. And friends, here ChatGPT solved our math problem. You can see it's provided the solution to this equation and break down the solution in different steps. With this example, I think you have idea that ChatGPT also acts like a tutor and helps you to analyze data and solve your math problems. And also ChatGPT can help you in many other ways. So it is up to you. How perfect are your prompting skills? And if your prompt is good, ChatGPT will provide you refined response. In fact, don't be afraid to ask ChatGPT for follow-up questions. or provide more context if the initial response is not quite right or according to your requirement. If you get a vague answer from ChatGPT, try asking ChatGPT something like, can you explain it in more details? Or if you need more help, you can ask ChatGPT to provide you an example. This also helps ChatGPT to narrow down what actually you are looking for. Friends, I hope you got the idea how ChatGPT helps you to boost your productivity. But remember, use ChatGPT only to boost your productivity and use it only for your assistance, because if you 100% rely on ChatGPT, it can destroy your creativity and may also destroy your imagination. I mention these words almost in my all ChatGPT videos. Friends, go now and test these features, and please share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to check my other videos on ChatGPT and digital marketing for more tips and tricks. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for my future videos. See you in my next amazing video. Take care. Bye.